So hello everyone. In this video we have to discuss de Broglie's dual nature of matter or de Broglie's equation with numerical questions regarding Z mains and Z advance, right? So let's start without any delay. So de Broglie's equation nothing but this is a simple equation which is obtained by a combination of Albert Einstein's energy equation E equal to mc square and Planck's equation E equal to h nu. Okay, so let's start. How will get the de Broglie's equation? So the Albert Einstein energy equation, we know that E is equal to mc square, right? This is equation 1. Okay, and one more Planck's constant equation E equal to h nu. Okay, so now combining these two equations, what we will get? By combining two equations, what do we get? So it is common E, so what do we get? mc square is equal to h nu. Okay, for m is what? Mass of the object. C is what? Speed of light in space, whose value is 3 point. C is what? Speed of light. Speed of light, whose value is, we know, 3.0 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, right? Okay, and h is Planck's constant value. Okay, what is the value of h? 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 34. Okay, in different units, right? And nu is wave, okay, or this is called frequency. Okay, nu bar is wave number. This is wave number, right? So after combining, what we get? mc is equal to h nu implies nu equal to what? Nu is frequency equal to what? C upon lambda. Okay, nu equal to C upon lambda. And now, so mc square into lambda equal to what? H into C implies lambda equal to what? hc whole divided by mc square. So though c xc, so what is coming out? H upon m into c or h by m into v. So and finally mass into velocity equal to what? Momentum, which is represented by p. So this is equal to, we can write down h by m. Okay, write down direct, we can write down, okay, p. Okay, so this is coming out de Broglie's equation, h by p. Okay, so de Broglie equation tells that the wavelength of a microscopic particles is the inversely proportional to the momentum, right? So this is also why it is called dual nature of matter, because de Broglie explained that electron has dual nature as well as wave nature. Okay, so that's why it is called dual nature of matter. Okay, it indicates for two natures. Okay, one is wave nature, another is particle nature. Okay, particle nature means what we discussed in classical model of the quantum theory, right? Classical model. Okay, but in quantum mechanical model, okay, it is explained both the natures. So let's do the questions. Let's do the questions. So question number 1, numericals. Calculate the de Broglie wavelength of a ball of mass 0.1 kg moving with a speed of 30 meter per second. Okay, so this is the code. So let's start how we'll do. So what is the given us? Calculate the de Broglie wavelength. That means lambda is asking here, right? So what will be lambda? Okay, so what is given us? What is given to us? Given that this is the speed of light, that means v is given 30 meter per second and mass given 0.1 kg. Okay, so now according to de Broglie equation, what is the equation? Lambda equal to h by m into v. Okay, so what is the value of h? 6.6. we have to take about into 10 to the minus 34. Okay, whole divided by m 0.1 into 30. So it is coming out, after calculating you will check 2.2 into 10 to the power minus 34 meter. So this is the answer. Okay, so it was the JMN questions. Okay, let's do one more questions of JEE Advance. Okay, one more questions JEE Advance of the year 2001. Okay, similar like that questions. This question is asking 2001 JEE Advance. Okay, question is that the wavelength associated with a golf ball weighing 200 gram moving with at a speed of 5 meter per hour. Okay, it is given 5 meter per hour. Okay, is the order of options given. First option 10 to the power minus 10 meter. Second option 10 to the minus 20 meter. C 10 to the minus 30 meter. D 10 to the minus 30 meter. Okay, how will you calculate? Let's see. Okay, you try yourself. You try. So the wavelength of associated, that means lambda asking here with a golf ball weighing, that means this is the mass given. Okay, at a speed given 5 meter per hour. So how will tackle this kind of questions? Okay, these are very easy. So question and formula is that h by m into v. This is the formula. De Broglie equal nature of matter, right? So we have to calculate lambda wavelength. So h, we know h 6.6 into 10 to the minus 34. What is the mass? 200 gram. So if that is given in gram, means we have to convert into kg, that divided by 1000. So meter per hour means we have to convert into meter per second. Okay, so velocity given 5 meter per hour, that means 1 hour how many second? 3600. that means 5 upon 3600 meter into second, right? And mass given to 200, right? 200 gram. So it is converted into, if you convert into kg means what you will do, 200 divided by 1000, so it is coming out 0.2 kg, right? So put in this formula 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 34 whole divided by mass 0.2 into 5 upon 3600. So it is coming out what? It is coming out 2.4 into 2.4 into 10 to the power minus 30 meter. Okay, so this is the final answer. Okay, you have to check yourself, and more questions I will provide in the description. Okay, so we have to continuously discuss like that. Thank you and very much.